Hi everyone. I wanted to make this video first while you're starting out with this course to make sure you understand the best way to go through the material. So this is just an example dashboard. I have all these math classes because I'm a math teacher, but yours will look different. So if you just click, I'm just going to use this Algebra 1A as an example. When you click on your course from your dashboard, this is called the module view that you're going to see here. We have all these announcements, but if you just scroll down, this is called the module view. And this is where you want to be when you're doing your course. So when you start your course, you want to start with the very first thing and then click through from here. You don't want to just jump to assignments without reading through and listening to all of these other things. This is where they teach you how to do the assignments. So you want to just start in the beginning. And every time there's a next button at the bottom. So you want to read through what it says on the page and then hit next. Read through what it says on the page and then hit next. These things are very important. I know those were kind of small examples right there, but here's where they start teaching you about the material. This is very important that you go through all of this and read this. This is just the introduction to the entire course, but I just want to make sure you understand that you have to read through these things. So I'm actually going to jump back and show you, I'm going to jump to like the middle of a lesson just so you understand why it's so important that you go through this from the very beginning. Now I know I'm about to jump into the middle of one. I just want to show you what it looks like when you're in the middle of a lesson. So let's just say we're right here. So you have to read through all of these things to understand what it's going to ask you to do in the assignment. So this is where they actually teach you the material. You read through these examples, write them down on paper as they're teaching them to you. If you actually work them out, it really helps you. There's these red boxes that tell you rules. These are so important. You should be writing these down in your notes. Don't just look at it and then move on. You want to be writing things down, taking notes. Just like you were in a regular classroom learning from a teacher, you'd be writing down notes also. So read through all these examples, write down these examples, read these boxes. They're so important. Okay, so all of this stuff you want to read through before you get to an actual assignment. So that was the point of this video, just to show you that you have to read through these things, write them down on paper before moving on to doing an actual assignment.